So there you can see, green light on charger, plugged in, unplug, battery, as far as I can push it, plugged in, fully charged battery, tight. Come up to the bike. Like I said, it worked 3-4 times before this happened after the first month. Hit the power switch, absolutely nothing. Doesn't matter if I wiggle cables like there's a short. Before, I just hit the switch, came on, piece of cake. Nothing's loose, nothing's broke. Over the whole entire bike, I barely used it, only had it a month, used it like 3 times. Unplug. Plug it back in. Totally dead. I have no idea if there's a fuse with it or something somewhere. No idea. The owner manual is a joke. So that's about all I got.